Anyways, I haven't posted in a minute. I'm still unemployed because, well, I'm gonna move soon, so there's no point in getting a job here. So I could totally be making videos, but I don't really want to. I want to make gaming videos, but the thing is, I'm just, I don't have a job and I'm just unmotivated, and I just don't really feel like doing that right now. So I'm not. But I thought I'd just make cause I haven't made a video on my 440, my engine. Anyways, yeah, I thought I'd make some content circulating car stuff because that's what I wanted. That's what I've always wanted to do. Anyways, I do like gaming stuff, but just I'd rather do car stuff. Now I don't. The thing is, I don't have money because I don't have a job. Well, I have money, but I can't spend that money. That would not be smart because I don't have a job. I'm broke, I guess, technically. Um, but I do have my 440, and though I can't take it to get, resurfaced and bored and whatnot, I do need to take the crank out. So maybe I can do that. And if you're watching this video, I probably did that. Can I move? Now, what I got going on here, so I gotta take this bolt off. Hold on. Oh, and yes, it's already pretty much torn all apart. This is the bottom, if you don't know what an engine looks like. This is the bottom of an engine. This is the crank, and these are just the bottom parts of the. See my finger. Okay. This is the crank. See this thing? Spins around and around. This is the bottom of the connecting rods, which connects to the pistons. This is the bottom of the engine. I could see if I can. Here, I was gonna show you. Anyways, yeah, I got it all taken apart. Everything's in these two bins right here. So basically, what I gotta do, I gotta take off this bolt right here, but this whole thing spins the crank. So, and the impact, the impact doesn't fit in this, because this is a, what is this, I think a 1/2 inch fitting here, in there. I'm not going to take it off, but anyways, and the impact doesn't fit that. So, I stuck this, which is for, yeah, this is for the engine stand, goes in here, so I can twist it around, and if I'm strong enough, I can twist it around and show y'all what it looks like on the top of the engine. Maybe, I don't know, because there is a bunch of liquid in here, and I don't really feel like having it I already made it last. Oh shit. When I took it apart, when me and my friend Ian took it apart, we made a fucking mess because there was coolant all in the oil pan. You can see in that piston, on the bottom of that piston right there, there's oil in there. Or I think that's a mixture of oil and coolant, I'm pretty sure. It's the only one that has shit in it. And it's because that's the lowest point right there, because this is a 440, which is a Chrysler engine. I guess that'd be Mopar too. I don't. I mean, same shit, I guess. But this is a 70s. This one was made in 71, I think. I got it out of a New Yorker, which is a Chrysler. Is it a Chrysler New Yorker? Yeah, I think it's a Chrysler New Yorker, which is Chrysler is just a Dodge brand. Still is, always has. Well, pretty sure it always has been. It has been for a while at least. this thing is 440 cubic inches, I guess. I guess that's what the 440 refers to. Cubic inches? I'm pretty sure it's cubic inches. Which makes it 7.2 liters. So it's a big fat fucking engine with all the parts on it. It's like 700 pounds. So yeah, you can see it's on the engine stand and it's leaning. I can't get it hooked up to where it'll be straight. It's yeah. It's also upside down too, which I don't think helps the way the way it hooks up. I don't know if it really matters. I think it's just gonna bend either way. Which is why I don't know if I'll be able to just rotate it. I might have to, because there's just too much tension on it. Anyways. But I will still try. But yeah, since I don't have an impact, I'll put this in here. So I could try to do that, but I never got it. I tried a few times before. I'll try again, because I put WD-40 and shit on here. I'll probably put some more, actually. Let's see, PB Blaster. PB Blaster looks good, right? PB Blaster. Let's get it. Oh, take this off. What is this? Forgot how much this was. Inch, 1 1/4 inch socket. If I can turn this thing. Shit. Looks like I forgot some, looks like I forgot some lifters in here. Looks like I missed 2 lifters inside this engine. Cause those just fell out. Which is not gonna hurt them, but I don't even think I'm gonna use those lifters anymore. I mean, if I'm rebuilding the engines, I mean, like, lifters aren't, like, expensive or anything, so. I don't think lifters are expensive. Let's go look up how much lifters are real quick. Yeah. Well, those lifters are fucking expensive. $689. I don't know what makes them that expensive. These other ones are like $119, $149. Howard's Cams, Moral Street Series truck lifters. They definitely look. It's like 2 are connected. I don't know what that does. I was not. I wasn't trying to flip this thing all the way over because it's too hard. I could do it, but I don't want to. So I put it back. But let's see, gotta get the light for this one. Is the top of the engine. This is one side, and well, the other is can't really get over there. Here's the other. And that's... Oh, Oh, there's... Did I not take any of the lifters out? Because all the lifters are in there. Hold on. Are all of them in there? 2 of them just fell out. There's 2, 3... Oh. Okay, so I took out some of them, but most of the lifters are still in there. Okay, I got this stuck in here. Pretty good. That's not coming out. Which is stopping the crank from churning. Because this bolt should be threaded in the way it churns. Or, threaded in the... No. It doesn't matter how it's threaded in, it'll keep churning. Never mind, I don't know what I'm talking about. But this should be lefty-loosey, right? So, yeah. Let's see if we can do this. Getting it with my hand is not going to work. No matter how hard I try. It's not going to happen. So you kind of gotta, bug chunks. So you kind of gotta, beat it up with something, I guess. I could. Well, because I'm gonna reuse most of this stuff, because this engine all the parts seem to be pretty good. And I think I could, I don't know how much it is to buy a new, what is this, crank pulley? I don't know how much it is to buy one of these. See if leverage is what's needed. I have 4 different PVC pipe sizes. I don't think the first one's gonna work. Oh my gosh, did I get it? Oh wow. It's exactly what I needed. See, now this is a lesson on why you always keep PVC pipe. So that is cool. This is a moment in history. This is my first engine rebuild. I mean, I'm about to be 19. Never done an engine rebuild in my life. And I'm pretty much planning to do everything myself except for, like, getting the engine resurfaced and poured out. Cleaned up, because I don't have any of the stuff for that. But, alright. I want to get this thing off. It's kind of annoying. See if I can move some hammer action to it. I did put WD-40 all in it. I think I'm going the wrong way. Let's retry that. I figured out the problem. Wait for the garage door to open. The problem is, this is not the crank pulley. I took the crank pulley off. That is a harmonic balancer. I figured that out, and when I figured that out, it's cold and rainy, and I don't like that. Okay, figured that out. I don't have a harmonic balancer puller, so I bought one off of Amazon. I'm about to go pick it up. We're gonna go pick it up. Oh my gosh. We're back, y'all. From the AutoZone. Got a OEM harmonic balancer puller. Let's open it up, make sure everything in there. I don't know which one's right side up. They definitely gave me a used one. Or one they rent out to people, but that's okay, because, I mean, it's a fucking harmonic balancer, I don't care. Harmonic balancer puller. Now, the only thing is, this thing looks very small. I'm not gonna lie. It's a big ass harmonic bouncer, so I mean, it should work. I guess. Hopefully. If it doesn't, I got one for, you know, maybe if I need to rebuild the 6 engine or something, I don't know. Or another car. We're back from a quick trip. Got the Ganzitos and the Gatorade Orange and somebody's home. Now need to get the harmonic balancer off. Now that I know it's a harmonic balancer, not the crank pulley. Because the crank pulley is already off because I took it off. Oh. It's off. Finally. Man, that was a pain in the ass. Not much. I'm just stupid. Whoa. Okay. Need to take that off. All the still don't know what these are called. They hook to the main part of the crankshaft. And of course I have to unhook the rods that also hook to the rod part. I don't know scientific terms. It doesn't really fucking matter. I know what it does, and that's all that matters. off the Talon chain cover. Um, there it is. It's the cam, the gear connecting to the cam. There's the Talon chain. Pretty, I mean, it's old. It's not too bad though. Well, guys, that piston landed right on my foot, and that is why you wear a steel toe. Because I'm willing to bet if I wasn't wearing steel toe, that shit would have probably hurt. Not steel toe. I mean, these are steel toe, but honestly, any safety toe could probably handle it. If you weren't wearing any sort of safety toe, that probably would have hurt like a bitch. Anyways. Alright, guys. I'm there. Took me a fucking hot minute to figure out how to take the fucking rear main seal out. It's because it's 12-point bolts, and I didn't notice that, so I was like, I thought it was stripped. I was like, oh shit, I thought the heads were stripped on the bolts. I was like, fuck. Oh man. These smell like fucking gas. Like, how the hell did gas get in there? Like, I know this thing was, you know, blowing up gas because it's an engine, but like, does it usually make the bolts smell like fucking gas? Because they don't smell like exhaust. Like, they smell like fresh gas, and they're fucking wet. Like, they're covered in not just oil, but like gasoline. Does gas just get in there? I mean, I guess it's possible. I don't fucking know. Anyways, put these. Where should I put these? They're so drenched. They're dripping. I want to put them in there because that shit's nasty. And then the oil pan. I put a bunch of shit in the oil pan, so I shouldn't have done that. Can put on a few paper towels. Do that. Just for now, because I'm gonna put them back in. Put them back in. I just need to take the crank out first. Okay. How does this work? I does not want to come. These don't want to come off. I have to hit them with the hammer. I've been hitting everything with the hammer. I don't want to damage anything, but